Cabby Outdoors here. Back out here fishing the same pond we did last time for the post-spawn bass. Got some, well, we caught a lot of fish. Come back out here again today. It's Mother's Day. Thought we hit a couple up real quick. Still using that same exact setup as I did the last time we were out here, and this time I brought a spinnerbait along on a different pole. There's one. Hey. Wacky. First one of the day. First cast. Bass of the day right there. Yeah? Oh yeah! Woo! Don't fall. Look at that little fit. He's watching us too.
Yeah, baby.
There we go.
Second cast. Take a picture and send it to Doc later. Good. You get me in it?
Yeah, I got you in it. It felt big because he's pulling that way.
Yeah.
He's tiny. He's tiny. That's a bigger one.
He had it all the way over there before.
I know. There he is. That was sweet. He's broke me off. Bro, it was as soon as I threw it in. Oh, he's pulling. Oh! He's nice. Oh, he's nice. He's nice. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. He ain't bad. Oh, God. There's one. Yeah, just hop your way back in there, why don't you? before. There's one. Hey, chatterbait. Yeah. Yeah. First chatterbait fish of the year right there, boys. You see that? That's sweet. Ooh. There we go. There's one. Yeah. No, he's not too bad though. Double up. Hey, triple! Triple! Yeah. Yeah? He screwed the triple up. Yeah. There we go. Case. There we go. There we go. Huh? Number 8. Huh? Oh! Did you see that? Dad, I just reeled it in real quick over top of this and one blew up on it. Huh? No, it was a bass that blew up on it right there. There we go. Oh, that was sweet. Oh, there it was again. Oh. Yep. It ain't bad. Here we go, number 7, boys. Even with 2 people.
Getting over that wood.
Ready?
Over to just slide over the wood.
Oh, this is easy. Huh? I know. Okay. Huh? You want to come? Yeah. I know. Huh? I'm fine. Well, yeah. No, we gotta stay away from the dock. Oh no. That's okay. Go ahead and ready? Yeah, if the ground was harder. There we go. Yep. I got it.
On the neck right there.
Hold that. There you go. Are you nuts? There we go. There you go. Bring him here, I'll whip him for you.
I thought it was weed.
There you go.
Sweet. I got my last fish.
Your last?
Probably.
There you go. I can't get him in the camera. There we go. There we go.
The big one?
Yeah. Thing? Yeah.
Double up.
I got him. Yeah?
In the boat.
Flip him in the boat. There we go, doubled up.
In the boat.
Hey, hey.
Get on, stupid man. Don't throw that fish back.
There we go, doubled up. These are like, oh my god, they're like twins.
Yeah,
Ready?
that was a little smaller though.
Huh?
That was a little smaller.
Okay, don't do that. Don't. Case.
I wouldn't stand like that.
Really?
Center your wing. It's better when you're by yourself. If you were standing up
Yeah. Alright, another right here.
there. We're over here.
Well, yeah, he nailed like 30 from right here. Nope.
No.
Sit down.
How big is it?
That's it.
It's a nice one.
Oh, he's pulling. You wanna whip him? He's not too bad.
Dang, that's a giant freaking hook though.
Yeah, you know, there we go. There. Sweet. I know I'm beating him. There we go. Yeah. Oh! Ooh! Dude, I really hope I got that jump on camera.
Let's go get that fly rod out.
It's not too windy.
I said